Hello everyone, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. मैं हूं अनुराधा and I brought for you part 6 for the SRT practice exercise where I'm going to show you some sample situations and also some sample responses. So let us start with the first situation that we got here for today's session. He is in a government job and his employees gave ultimatum for strike to raise payment. वो क्या करेंगे? So here I am showing you two responses for each situation, but आपको actual SRT में एक ही response लिखना पड़ेगा, okay? So made a calm discussion and came to a conclusion. Discussion करने के बाद एक conclusion पे पहुंचेंगे या फिर he will talk to higher authorities about the pay hike and end it to a conclusion. Second situation is his younger cousin passed a comment over a girl. क्या करेंगे वो? Of course he will persuade him to follow social etiquettes and not to do this again, and the cousin will listen to him. Yeah, he will warn him to not to do so again. ठीक है? Next situation can be his friend cleared IELTS exam and he failed in the same exam. Of course, he will congratulate his friend, prepare hard and clear next time. Yeah, he will congratulate him, take his help, tips and notes, introspected his own weaknesses, improved on them and cleared the next exam. Next is he is the assistant manager of the firm. His cousin also works in the same firm. He got report of his cousin's carelessness in the work. तो वो क्या करेंगे? तो वो वार्निंग देंगे उनको कि ऐसा मत कीजिए और अपना वर्क इंप्रूव करने की कोशिश करेंगे. उनका कजिन सुनेगा ये चीज एंड देयर विल बी नो सच रिपोर्ट अगेन. या फिर वो उनको परसुएट करेंगे, उनको पूछेंगे कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. ही विल टेल हिम अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम्स, ही विल टीच हिम और ही विल हेल्प हिम टू ओवरकम इट एंड देन ही विल improve the skills of his working efficiency and he will do good. Next, he is the monitor of the class and given the task to control the class for one period. तो वो क्या करेंगे? He will tell the class to do the homework or study silently. He will take a mock test or he will play a game, a fun game with the class, okay, and involve them into it. Next is in the late hours of picnic, he was served cold food. तो क्या करेंगे वो? He will enjoy the food and with his friends, okay. या फिर he will warm the food or heat up the food a bit in the campfire and then enjoy the food. Next is he's ready for a social get together. One of his friends suddenly arrives. So he will tell his friend to come later, is explaining to him about the situation that he's in. Friend will listen to him and will come the next day. या फिर वो उनको लेके वो social gathering में पहुंच जाएंगे. He will take his friend to the get together and enjoy. Next is his uncle omitted him to his to his son's marriage due to some reason. तो वो क्या करेंगे? अब घर वाले ही हैं. So he will participate in the arrangements and enjoy. He will ask for any problem in marriage schedule, gather elders of family to discuss the problem and work as per the conclusion. Next is his boss calls him in office, insulted him and promoted his junior. तो वो क्या करेंगे? He will ask the matter to the boss later and when he is cooled down and come to know about his mistakes, he will work on that and next time he will get the promotion. Okay. या फिर he will introspect and improve his own performance. Okay. Next, his friend wants to become a computer master. He told him to join engineering college, but he doesn't have sufficient money. तो वो क्या करेंगे? He will tell him about the education loan, help him in the procedures, and got him admitted to the engineering college. या फिर he will advise him to opt BCA for approaching his aim as it is affordable and get him admitted in BCA college. या फिर वो खुद से पैसे देंगे, उनको admission करवाएंगे. बाद में he will start doing the part-time job, his friend, and will pay the money back to him. ठीक है, ये कर सकते. तो ये थे कुछ सिचुएशंस जो आज के पार्ट 6 में मैंने आज डिस्कस किया आपके साथ. तो ऐसे सिचुएशंस अगर एसआरटी में आता है आपके एसएसबी इंटरव्यू में, तो आप इस तरह के सिचुएशंस के रिस्पॉन्सेस खुद से जो खुद आप एक्चुअल में करो वो लिख सकते हैं. Now I'll give you 5 situations for your homework. I want you all to write down one response for each of these situations in the comment box below. Okay. So for your homework, the first situation is he's traveling in train with his friend when suddenly his friend hurt his hand badly by a pole outside. Second, he was going through the jungle to reach town. He saw a snake on the way chasing him. Third situation, he lent some money to his friend. Now he needs money badly and his friend is not in a position to return money. Number 4, he has to go to play hockey in city with his friend. When they were about to leave, they found the tires of scooter punctured. And fifth one, his exam is coming near and he has to cover much syllabus. His friend who is weak in studies came to him with problems. ठीक है, तो ये 5 जो सिचुएशन मैंने आपको प्रोवाइड किया, इसका एक-एक रिस्पॉन्स आपको नीचे कमेंट में लिखना पड़ेगा। ओके, डू नॉट टेक मच टाइम, हाफ मिनट से 1 मिनट आप ले सकते हैं फॉर राइटिंग रिस्पॉन्स फॉर ईच सिचुएशन. Now, if you want to prepare for your upcoming SSB interview in a much more proper and efficient way, make sure that you're enrolling yourself to our SSB interview online course, जिसमें आपको सारे SSB टास्क के बारे में फुल जानकारी मिलेगी, प्रैक्टिस करने का मौका मिलेगा, आपको सेट्स मिलेंगे फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन आवर लाइव क्लासेस डेली. Also, if you're preparing for any other written defense exam, उसके लिए भी courses हमारे ऐप में available है. So download our app today, get yourself enrolled into these course and start your preparation. Use the code warrior10 to get a 10% off on these courses. That's it from my side. I'll hope to see you very soon with part 7 of the SRT practice exercise, where I'll bring some more situations and some sample responses for those situations. Till then, stay tuned with us and always stay positive and motivated. Jai Hind.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकैट जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो आप एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें. आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं.